Hi everyone, my name is Yenni. I'm from Mythology. So I'm sure everyone now is being bothered, and the entire topic is about the looming COVID-19. So through this exercise, I actually realized that there are two groups of people who have been created. So now, the first group is actually people who are so scared and they panic. They panic because they're so worried that there's not enough food to go around for everyone to eat. And here we are, on the other hand, we have another group of people who are so worried and panicked because they do not know what they can actually do with this 14 days of shutdown or lockdown, so it seems. But what I'm going to share with you is that we're going to do something that is very different, something that you both groups of people can actually do at home. So I'm going to share with you right in a bit. So here we are. What I'm going to share with you is a recipe that's called Taiping seafood porridge. Now, why porridge? Because it is a food people will think it is very comforting, it is very soothing. So this is, I can't think of any other times better to share this and to share this recipe with you during such times. And I put a twist to this, and it's actually by using herbs. So now, herbs naturally boost our immunity, our immune system. Now, just let me briefly run through all these ingredients with you. But before, I'd like to also credit this to my mom. So it is her recipe, which she used to force feed me when I was young and I was having fever and flu and all. So now, yeah, thanks mom, because of this I'm able to share this recipe. So, well, here we go. The base right now is, I'm using herbal soup. I'm going to set this to boil, and then you remember all the rice which you ordered from the supermarket. You cook it and then you cannot finish it. Well, scrape it off your pot, and this is what you're going to use. Here I'm using brown rice. Okay, now add that in. This is going to be very fast. It'll just take you about 10 minutes, and then we're done. So stir it a little, and fish. What I have here is I'm using grouper fish fillet. Right, set it aside. Stir it, and then prawns, shelled. You can also use your creativity. You can actually buy more premium prawns, the bigger udang gala and whatnot. And then let the shrimps or the prawns boil a little bit first, and because before you add the rest of the stuff in, I have here squid rings, kapa, that's lala, or the Italians will call it bombole, and this is actually mussels, the full shell mussel, and mushrooms. If you are not allergic to the mushrooms, you can add that in. Well, mushrooms will actually give it a little bit of bite, and also mushrooms will absorb the herbal taste and all. And then, of course, we would, in the end, garnish with spring onion, coriander, and julienne of, in simple layman term, it's actually called very thinly sliced ginger. So while this porridge is boiling, and we see that the prawns are actually cooked, almost fully cooked now. So we're going to add in the mussel. mushrooms, any kind of mushrooms, your favorite type. My favorite will be enoki mushrooms and king oyster mushrooms. Okay, and then squid. You can also use the squid body without cutting it into rings, also will work fine. And here we go. Lastly, the kepak. As you put in the kepak, because the clams, they cook very easily. So as it is boiling rapidly now, just slide them in, give it a stir, turn off the heat. And next, you will wanna add in your ginger to garnish, your coriander, and the spring onions. For those coriander and spring onions hater, you can always omit this. And voila, we have a pot of seafood porridge here, and I'm going to share with you how it looks like now. And here we go. Alright, so I hope you enjoy this pot of goodness. We also have it on delivery. If you're too lazy to cook, let us cover you and let us send love and comfort to you at your home, while you can kick back, take off your shoes, hang your legs up, and enjoy this pot of goodness. Thank you, and see you again.